Hi there, I'm Tammy from Sitemate, and in this video I'll show you how our integration tool Flowsite can automate the process of transferring dockets from Dashpivot to QuickBooks invoices. Many customers still manually copy values from Dashpivot dockets into QuickBooks invoices, and this process is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. With Flowsite, this process becomes effortless, and here's how it works. In Dashpivot, I already have a Docket workflow template set up and ready to be used. It has multiple tables to log plant and materials data as well as auto calculation for the costs, along with other information like comments, sign-offs, and the customer location. Now on Flowsite, we have configured the integration flow so that once the dockets are approved and in the final column, Flowsite triggers the creation of a corresponding invoice in QuickBooks. This is how we map out the source data to the destination in QuickBooks. Here we have two sources from the two tables we saw earlier for plant and materials, and you can see how it's mapped out. So quantity in Dashpivot goes into quantity in QuickBooks, rate to rate, and material to description. Let's go back into Dashpivot and complete one docket to see this in action. Rather than create a new one, I'm going to go ahead and just clone one of these existing docket. Let's change the date to today, which is the 12th of August. Let's go for this name. And here we go, we've got plant materials with the costs already calculated. And I'll go ahead and sign this. Now this is in the second column. I'm just going to sign again to move this to the final column. Here we go. Now that the form's done, you can check the status of the automation in the Run section on Flowsite to see if it's successful. Let me go ahead and just refresh. And as we can see, the status here, data has been transferred successfully. So let's go into QuickBooks and sales, invoices. Quickly refresh the page. And as you can see on the bottom here, we have the docket with the corresponding date, customer, and the amount ready to go. If you go into the edit, then you can see all the line items here that we had put in those two tables in Dashpivot dockets. Alright, let's fill out another docket just to see this in action once more, and I'll just change some numbers around. Let's stick with John Smith Mowing. Let me go here. And let's just change this number here so it's a bit different. Sign and sign once more. And we'll go and refresh. And as you can see, for every docket form, your data will sync through. Not only does this save significant time, but it also eliminates data entry errors that often occur with manual process. If you have any questions or need a more detailed walkthrough, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you enhance your invoicing process.